fucking cold. Guys, this would be epic to go floating here. Wouldn't be so much in danger. You have to know when to get off. Not even that.
Bowser! Come here, baby. Let's make you a YouTube celebrity. Bowser! This is Bowser. And this is Dave. Dave doesn't speak much. Melissa! Oh, I can't wait for summertime. It's gonna be so awesome being down here. It's still good today, but it's cold, so you can't really get in the water like we normally do. If any of you ever come to Reno, Nevada during the summertime, definitely try to do the river float. It's worth it. It's one of the funnest things you'll ever do. Have a good time and just reconnect with the water.